This isn't just any sculpture, it's a stunning life-size representation of a Chinese crested dog, crafted by the renowned sculptor Zots Vitaliy. Perfect for luxury home decorators, this piece fuses artistry with elegance, showcasing intricate details that bring this breed to life. Imagine this remarkable sculpture as the centerpiece of your living space, sparking conversations and admiration from guests. It's not just decor, it's a statement. Elevate your home with a true masterpiece that reflects sophistication and style.